This 2023 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 32U is a super CRV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Entegra Coach is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, air conditioning, external shower, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, microwave, smoke detector, CO detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, water heater, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, couples coach, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. This 2023 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 32U is built on a Ford F550 chassis and is powered by a Powerstroke engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.